No! My cars have fallen into the ball pit. We have to get all 10 cars out. Let's go!
Yellow car.
10!
Blue car.
9!
White car.
8!
Dark blue car.
7!
Gray car.
6! Great job! You've gotten over half the cars out of the ball pit. Way to go!
Light blue car.
5!
Aqua truck.
4!
Red fire engine.
3!
Purple car.
2! Yay! We're nearly there.
Silver car.
1! Thanks for helping me rescue all our cars. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.